Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishta. I am a makeup artist and a content creator. If you are seeing this face for the very first time and you like this video, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I'm very active on Instagram, so if you like the content and the type of videos that I make, you can also follow me on Instagram. सो इन द पास्ट मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई थी यूट्यूब पे जिसमें मेरी सारी रेड लिपस्टिक्स की कलेक्शन थी। वो उस टाइम की मेरी कलेक्शन 2021 की। अब उसमें भी काफ़ी अपडेटेशंस हुई हैं, बट आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है न्यूड लिपस्टिक कलेक्शन, जो कि मेरी वैनिटी में है। तो मेरा जो लिपस्टिक ड्रॉर है दैट इज़ राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी, और अभी हम इसमें से निकाल के दिखाएंगे आपको सारे शेड्स। आई विल स्वॉच देम फॉर यू एंड मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे रेफरेंस भी दूंगी कि कौन से शेड्स जो हैं वो किस स्किन पे चलेंगे। सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स जंप राइट इनटू द वीडियो। तो शुरू करते हैं इसी शेड से दैट आई एम वेयरिंग। दिस इज राइट नाउ माय favorite shade, which is from Bloom Cosmetics. It is called their Plush Matte Lipstick in the shade 110 High Tea. I really like this nude lipstick because ये ऐसा nude है जो कि सिर्फ फेयर पे नहीं मीडियम पे भी सूट करेगा। So this is how it looks. ये पैकेजिंग बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है। इट्स रोज गोल्ड पैकेजिंग और इसका MRP है 650 रुपीज़, which is a decent price for such a comfortable bullet lipstick, and the shade is really pretty. Like I really like it on my skin tone specifically. So here's a quick swatch for you guys. This is a good pick if you want to try out Bloom Cosmetics. This is a nice option to try. अभी ये तो थी ब्राउन न्यूड। अब हम नेक्स्ट करते हैं पिंकिश न्यूड की बात। ये है मिलानी कॉस्मेटिक्स की अमोर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक इन द शेड 11 Precious. This is how it looks. So this is a pink tone of a nude which is really comfortable on the lips. It's a liquid lipstick, so obviously it is going to be like more matte than the previous one, but this is a really nice formula. I'll just swatch it for you. It's a pink nude. It's a perfect pink nude. You can try out this lipstick. It's very comfortable. Also, all the links will be mentioned in the description box, so if you wish to buy any of the shades from this video, you will get a link in the description box below. Next I have another brown matte lipstick which is from Mars Cosmetics. The Mars बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable brand है, so this might be somewhere around 250 or 200. So this is called 22 Everyday Nude. This is how it looks like. The pigmentation is superb. Like this is the shade. It's looking peachy, but it's actually a brown nude. I really like this color. Like it will suit fair, medium, and slightly dusky also. It won't wash them out. So yeah, that was the third option. Next up we have a lipstick from Lakme. This is the Lakme's Absolute Matte Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade 12 Natural Nude. This is such a stunning nude shade for fair skin tone. This will not suit dusky or medium skin tones. This is quite light, but it goes perfectly on my skin tone. This is how it looks like, and the links will be in the description box. Next up we have a lip crayon from Mars. Another great pick from Mars is their lip crayons. This is the shade Smile Please, and this is my absolute favorite in my whole collection. ये इतनी अफोर्डेबल है, yet it is my favorite because it is nice. It's a nice pink nude. It's matte, and I really love this color. Like it's very comfortable on the lip, stays for a very good time, and very affordable. Next we have a lipstick from Faces Canada. This is Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Matte Lip Bliss Primer. It is retractable pencil kind of a lipstick, and the shade is 40. It's a peachish nude. See, this is the shade. It's a peach nude. It's not pink, and it's very comfortable. Next up I have a nude for kind of a dusky to dark skin tone. This is from Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and the shade is called Nude Nuance. तो Nude Nuance एक मेरा all time favorite shade है, जो creamy matte range में से भी है इनके, but ये same इन्होंने अब liquid form में भी create किया है। तो this is how it looks like. It's not absolutely nude for fair to medium, but it's a good nude for medium to dusky or maybe dark skin tones too. So this is the swatch. It's kind of a brownish nude mixed in with some tint of pink. It's a really stunning shade. Another lipstick from Faces Canada. It's a no transfer liquid lipstick, which is a very good formula. Like it does not budge at all. It wears for around 6-7 hours आराम से, and बिल्कुल भी आपको touch up की need नहीं पड़ेगी. The only thing is that it is matte. It is proper matte, so you need to moisturize your lips prior applying this. And this is the shade Filter Freak 11. It's a very nice nude shade for fair, medium, and dusky skin tone. Here's a quick swatch. This is how it looks like. It's a brownish nude. Next up we have a lipstick from Kiro Beauty, Nude Lily 20, and it's again a very comfortable formula. It's a pinkish nude, and it's very lightweight. Like it's not at all heavy or thick on the lips. This is how it looks like. It's a pinkish nude. Very nice pick. Next we have a proper brown lipstick, brownish nude with tint of orange from Color Bar. This is their Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade 017 Fame Game. This is how it looks like. It's a good quantity, like it will last you a very long time. Also, it's very comfortable on the lips and it does not budge as the name suggests. And it is a strong orange undertone, a brownish nude. This will be good for like medium skin tone also, and it won't wash them out. So earlier I showed you Nude Nuance in the liquid format. This is Maybelline's Creamy Matte Nude Nuance in a bullet format, and this one is something that I like a little more than that one because the comfortable formula is really nice. It has slight brown, slight pink undertones, so it is kind of neutral, which I really like on my skin. It will also complement, you know, dusky skin tones. It will be good for fair, medium and dusky. It's very affordable. It's just 299 rupees. Next I have another lip crayon from Mars, and the shade is I Am Unstoppable 11. So the shade names are really nice that Mars has created, and this one is slightly lighter, like it is a pink nude, but it is very light. Like it won't suit my skin tone. Also, it washes me out. It is good for only fair skin tones. This is how it looks like. It's a good pink nude. You can pick this up because it's really affordable, like if you have a fair skin tone. Another lip crayon that we have here is from Sugar. It's Sugar Matte Hell Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade 18 Rosalind. Like this is something जो आप लगाओगे तो it will be very comfortable पहले, like बहुत ज़्यादा creamy feel होगा, but then it dries down to a very matte formula. But still it is not like very drying or you know that bothers you or something. This will be very comfortable, and the shade is also really nice. It's more suitable for fair skin tone, I believe. It can wash out, you know, medium to dusky ones. This is much more creamier than the Mars one. Next I have a lip crayon from Color Bar. This is a proper nude, like it's as nude as it can get, you know. So this is the shade 006, I believe. It's called Stunt, and ये ऐसा nude है जो कि बहुत fair पे चलेगा. Like it will wash out almost all the skin tones. ये यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्यों dark swatch हो रहा है, but when I apply it on the lips, it is like just like my lip color. So this is a very nice nude shade for fair skin tones. Next up, ये ऐसी लिपस्टिक है जो मेरे आज तक यूज़ नहीं हुई, बिकॉज इतने फेयर क्लाइंट्स मेरे पास अभी तक नहीं आए होंगे, मुझे लगता है आए भी होंगे तो दे वुड वांट समथिंग डार्क. ये मेरा इसलिए यूज़ ही नहीं होता. दिस इज़ अ लिपस्टिक. इट इज़ अ बुलेट लिपस्टिक फ्रॉम मेकअप फॉरएवर, एंड द शेड इज़ M100 आई थिंक. लाइक इट्स नॉट क्लियर ऑन द पैकेजिंग. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी दैट, बट ये बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूड है. इट्स वेरी लाइट. कैन यू सी दैट? मतलब इसको मैं ना पता है किस लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. आई जस्ट यूज़ दिस इन द सेंटर्स जब मुझे किसी लिपस्टिक में ऑम्ब्रे इफेक्ट देना होता है. उसके अलावा मेरा ये कभी भी यूज़ नहीं होता. इट्स वेरी न्यूड. It is only good for very fair skin tone. Next I have another pink nude from Maybelline. Is the Maybelline 24-hour ink matte lipstick. This is how it looks like. The shade is Lover, and this is a proper pink nude. This is how it looks like. 15 Lover from Maybelline ink matte. Next up we have a liquid lipstick from MyGlam. It's in the shade 18 Swinger. It's a liquid lipstick, very drying and very matte. So if you are someone who likes extremely matte lipstick, तब आप ये ले सकते हो, वरना I wouldn't recommend it. The shade is a brown nude which will suit medium and dusky skin tones as well. Like it's a nice shade, but it's not very comfortable to be honest, which is why I don't reach out for it very often. 18 Swinger from MyGlam. Sit back, relax. We have a lot. आप pause करके कुछ खाने को लेने जाने चाहते हो तो ले आओ, because अभी बहुत कुछ बचा है. नेक्स्ट अप इज़ माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट, विच यू कैन सी. इतनी छोटी कर दिया मैंने, इतना क्रेयॉन था ये, मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ कर लिया. दिस इज़ अ लिप क्रेयॉन फ्रॉम पर्पल. इसकी पूरी ब्रांडिंग में मिट चुकी है, ये इतना ज़्यादा मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर ब्राउन न्यूड फ्रॉम पर्पल्स लिप क्रेयॉन्स. सो दिस इज़ द शेड नेवर हैव आई एवर. This is such a stunning nude shade. It complements my skin tone really well. It's proper brown nude, and it will suit somewhere around fair to medium skin tones, close to my skin tone. Nothing darker than me. I don't think it will go well on people darker than me. So this is a good option for fair to medium cat. I have another bullet lipstick from Eba Cosmetics. See, now if I don't use it for long, it creates a white film on it, which I hate. So the shade is M17, and it's a nice nude shade. It's a very stunning nude shade, no doubt, but the white thing on it is really gross, so I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. Another cute little lipstick I have is from MyGlam. It's the Pop Exo X Creamy Matte Lipstick collection from MyGlam, and this is the shade Comfort Zone. I got it in a set of 4, and all the 4 shades are like really close to each other. So this is what I like. This is the swatch. It's a brown nude, and it is a really nice shade for like girls going to college or school. And pigmentation is also like okay. It's not one swipe application, but it's a nice shade for, you know, girls. It's called Comfort Zone. Next I have a deeper nude for, you know, dusky and darker skin tones. This is also from the Maybelline Ink Matte Lipstick range, and this is the shade 70 Amazonian. This is how it looks like, and the swatch is right here. This is the swatch. This one. It's a dark lipstick, like it's a brown tone dark lipstick, chocolatey brown I would say, and it will really complement, you know, medium to darker skin tones. Stays for a very long time. This is a lipstick, if you are like an old follower of mine, you must know this was my absolute favorite at the time. Then it started stinking, so I stopped using it. This is Blue Heaven's Elegance Matte Lipstick in the shade 11, and this is a very stunning shade for fair to medium skin tones. Here is the quick swatch of this lipstick. It's very stunning. Like after it dries down, इतना सुंदर matte color निकल के आता है that I really love it. और शायद मैं repurchase भी कर लूँगी. I actually forgot about this one. ये वाली तो I think is expired. Yeah, this one is expired. Won't use this, but I will definitely repurchase this shade. Next, I have a gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the shade Toffee. I couldn't find this shade on Sephora or any other website. I don't think they make this shade anymore, but this is such a stunning nude shade, and I really love the formula of this gloss. This is how it looks like. It's a very stunning brownish nude shade, and the gloss like really stays put for a good amount of time. So this is something that if I find again, I might repurchase because it is such a stunning shade. Next up, I have a lip cream. This is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 56. It will only be suitable for extremely fair skin tone, just like the Makeup Forever one. So I don't reach out to it very often unless the client is like really fair. And this is a comfortable formula. It won't stay for very long, but it's a nice creamy formula. Next is another lip crayon from NY Bay. It's the Melts Matte Lip Crayon in the shade 3. This is a nice nude for like fair medium category, and this really suits my skin tone well. It's shade number 3. It's a pinkish nude with a little hint of brown, just like the creamy matte nude nuance one, and I really like this one. It's very affordable. Next, we have two lip glosses from Cuffs and Lashes. It's a recent add to my vanity, and these are very comfortable and long-lasting glosses. The one is in the shade 01 Multiverse. This is the shade Multiverse. It's a deep brown. I didn't expect this from the pan because मैंने सिर्फ 02 Age Nobari use किया था, which is a very stunning shade. Here is the swatch. It's a brown tone and it's a proper nude for fair to medium skin tone. But surprisingly, 01 Multiverse is a very nice shade for the deep category people. This is a very nice gloss, and I don't think India में कोई भी ऐसे glosses available है for darker skin tones. So this is a very nice option from Cuffs and Lashes. For now, this is all my collection of nude lipsticks. So yeah, if you like it, please like this video, share it with your friends, because this has like literally all types of nudes which are suitable for fair, medium, dusky and dark skin tones. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.